Welcome back, dear students of class 6. Today we are going to study part 8 of the chapter Scratch Programming Introduction to Game Creation. Students, in this part, you are going to study about how to use the pen blocks. So let us quickly begin with it. Now, students, what are pen blocks? The pen blocks are the green color coded blocks that control the pen. Okay. Now you know that pen is used to draw something. Yes, in our real life also we use pen to write something or to draw something. Okay. In the same manner, pen blocks are used to draw something as the sprite moves on the stage. Okay, so these blocks are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. Now, what is the meaning of this word trail? Okay, trail means a mark or a series of signs, okay, or objects that are left behind by the passage or movement of something or someone. For example, many a time students you might have seen, you know, planes like this, okay, airplanes like this that move. When they move in the sky, okay, they leave the trail of this line of smoke behind it. Okay, so this is the trail of smoke which is left behind as this airplane is moving in the sky. In the same manner, when a sprite moves on the stage, and if we are using the pen block, then if the sprite will move, then what will happen? See, it is leaving this trail behind. Okay, it is leaving as it is moving, it will leave a trail behind, okay, on the stage. So this is the use of your pen blocks. Now each pen color has a different shade that vary from the lightest to darkest color. Okay, that means there are different shades of color, light colors also and dark colors also. The pen shade varies from 0 to 100. That means you can give value from 0 to 100, but you need to remember one thing. That thing is that 0 is the darkest color. Students, 0 is the darkest color. So, if you give the value of shade, if you give the value of shade as 0, then you will get the darkest shade. But if you give the value as 100, then you will get the lightest shade of that particular color. Okay, now moving on to different blocks that are present in the pen block category. The first block is the clear block. Okay, first block is the clear block. As its name suggests, it clears or removes something. Okay, this block is used to remove all the marks made by pens or stamps. Okay, so uh, whatever marks are made by the pen block, okay, if you want to remove it, then you will use this clear block. For example, let me show you. Now see, this sprite has made this trail and this trail. Now if I use this clear block over here and if I click on this clear block, you can see the trail that was drawn has been removed. Okay, so this is the use of this clear block. Okay, moving on to the next block, that is pen down. Okay, what is the meaning of pen down? Students, when you write on the sheet of a paper, okay, you touch the tip of the pen with the paper, right? That means you keep your pen down. Okay, unless and until you keep the pen down, okay, unless and until you touch the tip of the pen on the paper, you cannot write anything, right? So anything will be written only if you touch the tip of the pen on the page. In the same manner, pen down block means what? This block will make the sprite continuously draw the trail wherever it moves. Unless and until your pen is not down, you cannot draw anything. So this is the meaning of pen down, and the next block is pen up. Now pen up is just opposite of this pen down. Okay, if you bring your pen up, if you don't touch the piece of paper, what will happen? Then it will not draw anything. That means this block puts the sprite's pen up, and when the pen is up, you cannot draw the trail. So when you can draw a trail only when the pen is down, okay? And if you keep the pen up, that means the sprite will move on the stage, but it will not draw any trail, okay? So for example, let me show. Right now, see, I've used this pen down, and now if I move this sprite, it will create a trail. But if I remove this block, and if I bring this block pen up block, okay, and now if I make my sprite move, see, nothing is being drawn, no trail is being drawn. Why? Because pen is up. But if I remove this pen up, if I delete this, and if I bring pen down, now when the sprite moves, it is drawing a trail as it is moving. So this is the meaning of pen up and pen down, okay, and then clear, okay. Now let's go on to the next block. Set pen color to a particular or specified color. So this block, what does this block does? This block sets the pen's color to a specified color. So see, this is a specified color. Right now it is chosen a purple color. Okay. So this block, see right now our sprite is drawing a red color. Yes, a reddish color shade. When the sprite is moving, it is drawing this color. Okay. So whichever color is chosen over here, that color trail will be drawn by the sprite. The next block is the change pen color by 10. Okay, change pen color by 10. What does this block does? This block changes the pen's color by the specified value. So whatever value you specify over here, the pen's color will be changed by that much value. Okay, so let me show you change pen color by 10. Okay, I'll just remove this one. Okay, so let me use this block over here. Okay, now see, if I make the, suppose the sprite move. Okay, now see, every time I click on this green flag, the color is changing. Earlier it was this color, then it is this color. Now once more, if I make the sprite move, then there will be a different shade of color. So every time it is changing the color value by 10. Okay, so this is the use of change pen color by 10 block. Moving on to the next block. The next block is set pen color to the specified value. Okay, so if we use this block set pen color to a specified value, then the block, every time the sprite will move, it will not change a color. Okay, so if I remove this block, okay, and if I use this block, set pen color to suppose 50. Okay, so now what will happen? It will not change the color. Okay, every time it moves, it will not change the color. This is the value of 50. Okay, if I make it suppose 60. Okay, and now if I make it move, so let's see what is the color. See, it is a bit dark shade than this. Okay, so this is the set pen color to the specified value block. The next block, students, is change pen shade by 10, okay, or the specified value. What does this block do, students? This block changes the pen's shade by the specified value. Okay, so whatever is the shade means what? Light or dark. Color will be same, but it will be a bit lighter or darker. So let me first clear everything from here. Okay, so if I remove this block and if I bring this block, change pen shade by 10. Okay, currently this color is selected. Okay, so now currently this color is selected. Okay, now see, when I click on the green flag, it will change the pen shade from this to the by the value of 10. Okay, so this is changing. Okay, if I again click on this and then if I use, see, this is a bit darker color. This from year to year, this is a bit lighter color. If you can see, this is light, this is dark. So it is changing the shade value by 10. Okay, let me clear this. Let's move to the next block. The next block is set pen shade to 50. This block sets the pen shade to the specified amount of value. So whatever you specify the value, okay, set pen shade to 50. That much will be uh, the shade, okay, and it will not change. Okay, that shade will not change. Okay, see, it is not changing. Wherever I move it, it will not change. But if I change the value, suppose 70, so now the shade will change a bit. See, this is dark, this is light. Okay, if I make it 90, then this will become more lighter because 100 is the lightest shade. If I make it 100, see, if I make it 100, then this will be the lightest shade. See, this one was dark because this is 50, this is 70, and sorry, this is 7. This one was 70. Okay, this one was 70, this one was 90, and this one was 90, and this is 100. Okay, so moving on to the next block. The next block is change pen size by 1. Okay, now this is very important block. This block changes the pen size by the specified value. What is the meaning of this, students? Is that the size of the pen, okay, the size of the trail that is being drawn, that will change. Let me show it to you. Let me delete this one. Change pen size by 1. Okay, if I choose this, okay, if I make it change pen size to, suppose, by 10, okay, change pen size by 10, and if I move, you can see that the block, see, the the sprite is changing the size. See, earlier it was this much, then it changed the pen size by 10, added more this thickness, then it added more thickness. Okay, now if I make it minus, change pen size by minus 10, okay, then what will happen? See, earlier it is thick, now it will make it thinner, 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 more thinner. Okay, so this is the use of this block. What is the use of this block? This block changes the pen size by the specified value. Okay, the next block is set pen size to a particular value or the specified value. This block sets the pen size to a specified value. So if I show you this, let me delete this. Set pen size to, suppose, 1. Okay, let me clear everything, or let me show it to you over here. So now the size of the pen will be set to size 1. Okay, now if I click on this, see, this is size 1, so it is so thin. But if I change it to, suppose, 50, now you see this will be much thicker size. See, this is 50 and this is 1. You can imagine. So if you want to change the size of the pen, you can use set pen size to the specified value block. So these are all the blocks that are present in the pen block category. Now let us understand the use of pen blocks through the help of some given example. Okay, so let us make this particular small scratch project using the pen block. So first I will clear everything. Okay, I will delete these blocks and delete. Okay, so this is, now let's see what they are saying. Start a new project. So let us directly start a new project only. Okay, so this is a new untitled project. We have started it. Then what is the next step? Add the code in the scripts area as shown in the figure. So we need to add this code. Okay, so what is the first block? When green flag clicked. Okay, so go to events, when green flag clicked first, then repeat 5. Okay, repeat for 5 steps. So that is in the control, repeat for 5. Okay, this one. Okay, make this value as 5. Then inside this repeat, now all the other blocks are going to come. Move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees. Okay, so move, make this 10 as 100 and then turn, okay, this way, turn clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, then pen down, change color, a pen color by 35. So go to the pen block, make the pen down, change pen color by 35. Change pen color by 35. Okay, then set pen size to 5. Set pen size to 5. This block. Then move 100 steps, turn clockwise 90 degrees. So go to motion blocks, move 100 steps, turn clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, then move 200 steps, move 200 steps, and then turn clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, so turn clockwise 90 degrees, and we are done with all this block. Now let us see what will happen when we click on the green flag. Okay, as soon as I click on the green flag, look at this, what is going to happen. The sprite is going to draw this square over here. See, okay, let me clear this and show you again. So see, the sprite has drawn this square, okay, with different color trails. Okay, so everything is happening first when the green flag gets clicked. Okay, first it moves 100 steps, okay, then turns 90 degrees, then pen down, so the sprite wherever it is going to move, it is going to draw a trail, then it will change the color by 35. Okay, so the value of the color is going to change by 35 every time the sprite moves 100 steps and turns 90 degree. Then the size of the pen is set to 5, so this thickness is 5. Then it is moving 100 steps, turning 90 degrees, then it is moving 200 steps and turning 90 degrees, and again this process is going to repeat how many times? 5 times. Okay, so this is a very good example. I'll just save this project with pen 1 name. Okay, and then I'll open new project again, because now we need to do this B part. Okay, we need to draw this star. Okay, so again the first is start a new project and delete the cat sprite and add the star sprite. So first step is to delete the cat sprite and then add which sprite? The star sprite. Let us search for star sprite. It might be way down over here. The star sprite. This is the star sprite. Yes, star 1. Okay, click on the star 1 and then click on OK. So this is our star sprite. Moving on to the next step, using motion block and pen block, add the script in the scripts area. So we need to add this long script. Okay, let us do this and then we'll click on the green flag. So let us do this one by one. When green flag clicked, first one, when green flag clicked, okay, then go to X, go to X minus 119, Y minus 73. So minus 119 and Y minus 73. Sorry, minus 73. Then change pen color by 10. Go to pen block, change pen color by 10. Then set pen size to 20. Set pen size to 20. Then pen down. Then glide uh, for 1 second to X this, Y this. Okay, so go to motion, you'll find the glide over here. Glide 1 second to minus 4 102. So this is minus 4 and 102. Okay, then change pen color by 10, set pen size to 20, pen down. So again this same, I'll just duplicate it. I'll duplicate this also because this is also going to come later on. Okay, so now change pen color by 10, change pen color by 10, then set pen size to 20, set pen size to 20, pen down, glide 1 second to 82 minus 86. So over here 82 minus 86. Okay, again we have the same blocks again and again. So we will just copy this, duplicate it and put it over here and just change the value. Okay, change the values. So over here minus 129 32. So just give me a second, glide 1 second to 82 36. Okay, this block is not needed. Change pen color by 10, this is minus 129 minus 129 32 32, and then 110 32. Okay, 110 32. Then one more block we need. Okay, one more block is needed. So I'll just copy this and or duplicate this, and now I'm going to change the value of last one, 119 minus 73. So minus 119 and minus 73. So all these blocks are over here. Okay, let's see what the sprite is going to do when we click on the green flag button. So see, it is going to draw the star as it is shown in the figure. Okay, same type of star is drawn. So I hope you people are going to practice this. Then after making this, just click on the save or save as, give some name, star, and save it. Okay, so I hope you understood this part. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, till then, take care of yourself and be well.